Chelsea already out, having lifted a trophy this season, the Europa Conference League. But Paris Saint-Germain won the big one in Europe, the Champions League, and in some style. How do the Premier League club contain this runaway train that is Paris Saint-Germain? And Chelsea do make two changes from the win over Fluminense here at the stadium on Tuesday. Levi Colwill returns from suspension straight back into the team. Reece James also returns, having missed the quarter and the semi. Chelsea's captain fit to start this Club World Cup final in New Jersey. João Pedro leads the attack. The new signing from Brighton was Chelsea's two-goal hero in the semi-final. Paris Saint-Germain, who was so good in their semi-final that Luis Enrique sees no need to tamper with his lineup today. It's an unchanged starting 11 for the Parisians. On paper, there appears to be no weakness in this team. Can Chelsea find a chink in the armour today? And some great options on the bench too. Barcola, Ramos, Mayulu. They'll all hope to play a big part in this one as the day progresses. Reece James scored in the last 16 against Benfica. Reece James with a free kick. Didn't play in the quarter of the semis. Caicedo seeing a lot of the ball in these opening 7-8 minutes at the MetLife Stadium. James. For so long, a work in progress. It's a Chelsea team that might well be blossoming. João Pedro, Cole Palmer! And it hit the stanchion that holds up the net. Half the MetLife thought that was it.
Oh, we thought it was it. It's brilliant work from Chelsea. He's not happy. He thinks he should do better. Just bend it inside that post.
Brave start from Chelsea and almost an early reward. Presidential seal of approval today. Paris Saint-Germain have been free scoring, but they've also been rock solid in defence. With a clean sheet against Real Madrid here on Wednesday in this semi-final. Oh, hesitation, keeper didn't come. Cucurella kept his cool. Désiré Doué was so unselfish there. He was trying to pull it back for Hakimi. If he could do it all again, would he have chosen that option? That's a let